Next up we have Francess. A round of applause for Francess, please.
Got my book just in case I forget. Where to start? Monopoly. Just one thing to say, the rent is too high. No fun playing anymore. We need a new game where we all can thrive, where I becomes we and mono becomes poly. The waters are dammed. There is no flow, there are blocks. Water does not like division and separation at different levels. There is a desire within, a calling to unite, a desire and calling to be one. A desire and calling to river together, to gather together as one sea. We are the sea, we are like water. We must see that only in oneness are we level and whole. See the destiny of humanity is to be one sea. Isn't it time to hit the middle road and stop weaving left and right and just do what is right by all? Stop meandering through stagnant failures and waterfalling profits in one direction. Stop damming the water. Stop damming the flow. Open up the reservoirs of wealth. Melt the icebergs of fear and let abundance flow to the people. Make waves of contentment, tsunamis of opportunities, and let people surf to a prosperous new world. It's perfectly possible, and that's my message to the politicians. Okay. I don't like voting actually because I don't believe in war and weapons and defence. How far away is peace one day? One day then two makes life better for you and for me. Then we can have 3 and maybe 4 for more to live and to love in harmony. With self and with others, harmonious love, for harmony with nature and peace from above. The planets and moon mean peace very soon, so please do tune to the peace of love that excels all thought and makes home for the dove. Have faith that the good will conquer the evil, and that love can conquer the fear. It is so very near and clear that when love conquers all, man can walk tall. No need to conquer or blame one another. Then we can be a true community, with man united by the peace of love that excels all thought and makes home for the dove. Yea, peace every day is not far away. I'd like to share that peace is prophesied for the world. I study scripture and healing actually. So when you look at scripture from a healing aspect of the body and read it in quantum, then it makes perfect sense. And it's not about religion and churches and doctrines. It's about love and sharing that spirit of joy and working to attain to that spirit of joy. And love is my tagline is love is not a cortisol. So the way that our bodies work. So, apocalyptic poem. The red. So this is based on the apocalyptic horses of Revelation. The red horse being greed and war, and the black horse is I think the one's death, and the other one is famine and pestilence and disease. So we've got plenty of those around at the moment. The red, black and pale horses ride with thunder. Thunderous clouds of hail and snow, bringing cold wherever they go, reaching to lands far and wide, going to affect many new brides. Not what they had planned for their wedding day. Psychopathic games being played, games of hunger, death and thrones, ice reaching inside to the bones. Reaching the marrow, harrowing thoughts, causing divisions of all sorts, dichotomies of mind, tipping the scales away from man being kind. Tipping to fractions of slated grey, slavery to states of being not gay, slavery to hunger, thirst and no day, slavery to riding, slavery to making no hay. Slavery riding into our day, galloping our freedoms away, causing our blood to rage like the sea, burning as an ember tree, causing the charcoal to burn somewhere new, making potash a chance to renew. Time to release the pure white horse, jousting with the paler horse, knocking him far off course with a new form of discourse. The red horse cannot fail to stumble, causing all the greed to crumble, causing the black horse to turn around and head right back into the darkness, the density. Time to bring out the new city of gold that we have been waiting since times of old. Galloping white horses, bringing the food to avoid those negative moods. Making fields of darkness white like snow. Placing footprints, showing which way to go.
Very good.